Certifications are a big deal when it comes to moving up the ladder in the IT world, and some of the most respected ones come with a serious price tag. Today, we're taking a closer look at a few of the most expensive certifications, strictly based on their exam fees. Now, keep in mind that these costs don't include everything else you'll invest along the way, like your time, hands-on experience, or study resources. Plus, most of these certifications aren't usually your first step. They're often pursued later in an IT career, partly because they tend to involve a lot of work, including board exams or long written tests. Even though some of these certs can really dent your wallet, the payoff might be worth it down the line. Let's dive in. Out of all the certifications we're covering, the CCI Enterprise Infrastructure happens to be the least expensive. But don't let that fool you, it's still a hefty investment to earn it. You'll need to pass the 350 401 Encore exam, which costs $450, then tackle the 8-hour hands-on CCI Enterprise Infrastructure Lab exam, priced at a steep $1,600. Trust us, that lab portion is no joke. If you fail the written exam, you can try again after 30 days. Just be ready to pay another $450. And if you stumble on the lab portion, you'll have 12 months to give it another go before you're forced to retake the written exam. Oh, and each lab attempt runs you another $1,600. Ouch. So what's the cert all about? Well, it's designed to prove you know your stuff when it comes to complex enterprise networks. Think advanced routing, switching, and network infrastructure. Plus, it covers the latest trends like software-defined networking, automation, programmability, and security. All these areas are super important for today's enterprise environments. If you're a seasoned network engineer, architect, or IT pro, nailing this certification can really help you stand out. CCI Enterprise Infrastructure holders are widely respected and considered top experts in network engineering. Keep in mind though, this isn't a set it and forget it certification. You'll need to recertify every 3 years to keep that coveted status. Next up is the Oracle Database 19C Certified Master, or the OCM. Now, this is Oracle's top-tier certification for database admins, and it's as challenging as it is prestigious. This exam tests advanced Oracle Database 19C skills, including things like real application clusters, all in a live Oracle Linux environment. Each time you need to retake it, you're looking at another $2,500, a 5-day waiting period, and a limit of 4 tries within a 12-month window. Now, to earn this credential, you'll have to pass a tough, hands-on practical exam at an Oracle University facility, showing off your ability to handle complex database tasks under pressure. You'll also need to have your Oracle Database Certified Professional, or OCP cert, either 2019 or later, and complete 2 advanced courses. Now, the total cost for exams and mandatory training can easily reach $2,500 or more, which adds up fast. Still, the certification is widely respected because it's both practical and demanding. This cert is perfect for experienced database administrators, IT managers, and database architects who want to prove they're the true Oracle experts. But remember, it's not a one-and-done deal. You'll need to recertify every 2 years by passing the exam again. Then we have the ITIL Master Level Certification. Now, this is basically the peak of the ITIL mountain. You start at the foundation level and then move up through practitioner, intermediate, and expert before you can even think to go for master. But it's not about taking one test after the other. It's a whole system of exams, credits, and hands-on experience you need to gain along the way. There isn't a set price listed on the ITIL website, but you can expect the total cost to add up, easily hitting around $4,400 or more. That total comes from the required modules like Managing Professional, or the MP, and Strategic Leader, or the SL, plus the final case-based assessments. And if you fail an exam, you'll have to pay extra to take it, which could run anywhere from $280 to $765, depending on which test you need to redo. Now, this top-tier certification is designed for seasoned IT pros who have already climbed that ITIL ladder and want to prove they've got the highest level of IT management skills. Now, it's a great fit for IT managers, service delivery leaders, and strategic planners responsible for making sure IT services and business goals are in sync. Once you've got it, the ITIL Master Level Cert is good for 3 years. After that, you can keep it current by retaking the exam or earning the right amount of continuing education points. And finally, drumroll, here's a twist you might not see coming. Not having any certifications at all can actually cost you more in the long run than even the most expensive ones on this list. Now, without those credentials, you risk settling for lower pay and fewer opportunities, leaving thousands of dollars on the table over the course of your career. Take the CCIE as a prime example. Yes, it'll run you about $2,000, right? But the return on investment is massive. CCIE certified pros often earn over 30% more than their non-certified counterparts. That translates to an extra $20,000 or more each year. Over time, that kind of salary bump more than pays off the initial cost. Now, the bottom line, certifications are not just pieces of paper. They're gateways to better jobs, bigger paychecks, and a brighter future. It's not just the credential that matters, it's the long-term boost to your career and your bank account. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell us which certification you're planning to tackle next.